Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Today, I'm in my garden and I'm going to get some herbs for this next recipe I'm going to make. I'm going to get some fresh basil. Oh, look at this beautiful basil. Oh, so beautiful. Woo-wee. Love it. And some fresh parsley. So I can make this Mediterranean recipe I'm making today. It's called Baccala with con olive and pomodorini, which is a codfish with olives and cherry tomatoes. It's wonderful. I mean, it's all over Italy. Years ago they used to make it just like in Christmas time, but now it's like all over Italy. I mean, they're doing it. It's such a good. It's almost like a stew. It's so delicious. So stick around because we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. We'll see a little bit. Welcome back. Today we are making this beautiful recipe. I love this recipe because we used to do this, actually my mom, my wife cooks it on Christmas time and during the time when Italians eat a lot of fish. But since it became so famous, this baccala with the tomatoes and olives, that a lot of Italians are doing it almost every day. You know, it's one of those dishes that it's so desired that once or twice a week they're making this dish. So here it goes.
So, come si chiama?
Si chiama baccalà con pomodorini e olive nere. Ok? Comunque, si comincia così. Baccalà. Questo è un baccalà fresco. Potete prendere anche il baccalà, quello salato, però you have to dovete metterlo nell'acqua 2 o 3 giorni, così si sbaglia tutto il sale. Diventa così. Io invece l'ho preso fresco. I got it fresh, and so I didn't have to put it in the salt or anything. I mean in the water or anything. And okay, so first of all, I put some olive oil.
What do you got here? What are your ingredients?
My ingredients are baccalà, of course, which is codfish. It's codfish. Cherry tomatoes, black olives, capers, onion, some flour, fresh basil, and parsley from my garden. Remember, you saw me there. And yeah, that's it. So here we go. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this baccalà, codfish, into the flour. Okay. Nice and thick. This is how I like my codfish. Nice and thick. Put this inside the pan. And we get that cook. While that's cooking, we get an onion. This on the side. Wait until this is cooked.
We're still an olive, right?
Sure. We'll wait till that cooks. We'll cut the cherry tomato soup in half. Cherry tomatoes is going to make that little sauce that I want. I'm not going to be adding any chicken stock or anything. The tomatoes themselves, they're going to be giving me all that juice that I need. This is how this dish is going to be done. Stesso con I pomodorini, fai quella salsetta. Vediamo così.
So you put that all together?
We're going to cut all these little tomatoes. We're going to put them all in there. because this is what's going to give me the sauce. You gotta be careful with that baccala, with the codfish, because the codfish sticks very easily to the pan. And I don't like using the pan that doesn't, the unstickable pans. I don't like them very much. I use them sometimes. Most of the time, I like to use these pans over here. Okay. Okay, so these are halfway done. I'll take them out. Okay. When they cook halfway, hanno cucinato forse la metà, si togliono, si passa un po' fuoco, ci mette la cipolla, facciamo cucinare un po' la cipolla. Once the onions are cooked all the way, halfway actually, the juice of the onion is going to take, it's going to clean up the bottom of the pan. And we add the little tomatoes and the capers.
Smells so good.
And the olives. E allora aspettiamo che fa quella salsetta. We're going to wait that the juice comes out of the little tomatoes, and it's going to clean up that bottom of the pan, the goodness of the pan. And then we're going to add the baccala back into it. And I'm just going to get a little bit of basil. And a little bit of parsley. Love this. Love this parsley, fresh parsley. I'm just going to chop it up, put it together and chop it up. Add a little bit of water. You don't need to add any wine to this, because it's going to have the taste is so intense already with the capers and the onions and tomatoes that you really don't need any wine in this. I'm just going to wait until the tomatoes start cooking up and the juice comes right out. Close that up a little bit. Like this. Okay, now that the juice came out of the tomatoes, you know that juice that's in there? I had to change the pan, by the way. The pan was a little too big, so I put the smaller pan, and now it's cooking a little better. Now I'm going to put the baccala, the codfish, right back into the plate, the dish over here, the pan, and I'm finish cooking it with the rest of the ingredients. And I'd say in about a few minutes, I'm gonna give it a few more minutes cook, maybe about another 5 minutes or so. This is done, so let's give it a few more minutes and I'll see you later. Okay, and this is actually almost done. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Not too much, because you got those capers in there, that a little of black pepper.
How long does this dish cook?
Oh, you know what? This is about 15 minutes. Actually, it's a quick dish. Put a little more parsley in there, and we're gonna give it like a few more minutes, and
then we eat.
And then we eat. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, this looks like it's done. It's beautiful. But wait, ciao!
Ciao! Ciao!
Oggi potete fare i capelli. Oh.
Oh yeah,
my
Delicious.
highlights.
Beautiful, nice. I'm
Thank
making
you.
today baccala with olives and cherry tomatoes.
Oh, il baccalà?
Baccala sì, il baccala ti
Come
piace?
te?
Come me?
Sì.
No, il baccalà come questo baccalà nella persona, ok? Non come me. Ok, è finito. Vuoi provarlo?
Wow, pare essere molto buono.
Proviamo?
Ma tu puoi fare sempre queste cose speciali.
Va bene. Ok, vuoi provarlo? Vediamo com'è.
Wow,
Come
proviamo,
esce.
proviamo.
Proviamo? Speriamo che è proprio buono. Ok.
Faresti proprio
Ma tu vedi sempre un tempo perfetto.
Beh, io vengo sempre quando è pronto.
Pronto, eh? Guarda adesso,
Perché mi piace provarlo, no?
Stavo oggi è venuta proprio perfetta per un baccalà.
Oh, il baccaletto che sei tu.
Alright, so, okay. Baccalà che sono lui, vabbè. My wife, by the way, my wife calls me baccalà because in Italian, baccalà means you're a fool. And I am a fool because, you know, I'm working for her all these years, right? Okay, so, proviamo. Baccalà.
Proviamo.
Ecco. Mia cara.
Grazie, grazie.
Prima tu, poi io.
No, no, andiamo insieme.
Vabbè, so I'm gonna try this. Wow, came out so good.
Wow,
Nice.
squisito.
Bello davvero, buonissimo. Questo è un baccalà. Baccalà di from southern Italy. A lot of people down in southern Italy, they make this dish. They love this codfish, and yeah, it's great. And that seems, how was it? Good?
Wow,
Like it?
buonissimo.
Okay, so here it is. Baccalà with cherry tomatoes and black olives and some capers. So hey, thanks for sharing this time with us a little bit, and hello and goodbye from Pasta Fazool. I'll see you next time. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.